Good morning, Queens. Good morning. Ms.Pk's Crochet Braids here. And I'm just so happy this morning. I'm just so happy and so grateful to be amongst the living. I am not kidding. I am on my way to work. I already picked up my coffee. But I'm short. So if you guys don't know, I'm only 5 feet tall. That's it. I am super short. Full figured curvy lady, and I discovered something this morning because actually, you see how I'm sitting high? Because I'm so short, I would be sitting probably right here at this level in this car. But you know what? I said, you know what? Because I was trying to get myself angled on the camera here so y'all can see me and everything. And I said, you know what? Let me see if I can just put something under here and sit on it to give me some height. Boy, I figured that thing out. And I'm sitting high, y'all. I'm sitting high now. I'm sitting high, y'all. I think I'm bad. I think I'm somebody. Yeah, it feels good, too. I had to adjust my mirror. You know, I'm sitting so high. So I figured that thing out. And it's nice. Yeah, it's nice. So I'm riding high this morning. But I'm headed into work and wanted to tell you guys good morning. So this is going to be a work vlog video. And you guys, you let me know what y'all want to see. Because I've been struggling with my content, trying to get a balance with it. You know what I mean? Because I like to travel. I like to go places and do things and experience new things. And I want to kind of do that and then incorporate what I do for a living. So, let me know, because I did a poll a few months ago, and you guys, I said, did you guys want to see all crochet braids, or you want to see lifestyle, travel, DIY, or an entrepreneur? So if y'all want to do entrepreneur as well, when I show you how I start my business and things like that, let me know. Or did you want to do a combination of the two? And you guys said combination, but then when I put something out there, I get crickets. All right, y'all. So I'm trying to figure out what y'all want to see for our community, because I want to grow the channel. I want to grow the channel so that way when I get to a certain point, because to be honest, my goal is by the end of summer, I want to get up to 15,000 subscribers. By the end of this year, I want to get up to 20,000 subscribers. And then that way, then I'm going to start our community group, so then that we can get together every other month or once a month and get together and just fellowship and just love up on one another and just share, our business. If you're a business person, then we can share what we do for our business with the other ladies. And if some guys want to come along too, you come on into the group. You are more than welcome. So I wanted to be a thing where we network with one another and get together with one another and have fun, because I'm single. I am single, and really I'm widowed. My husband passed away about 2.5 years ago. But so I'm single, and so I would love to get together with you guys every other month or once a month, and we just go out and do some things, spa day, or maybe some tea, some kind of brunch or something like that, or maybe go hiking, just something fun that we can do together as a group. So and I'm really looking forward to that, because I like to go and explore and do different things. So you guys, let me know, please let me know down in the comments what you guys, how you guys see our channel going, because this is our channel. And then also, I want to get us a channel community group name. I'm trying to figure out, what to call us, So you guys, feel free to put down in the comments, what this group should be called, what this community should be called, because, we want to really just be there for one another, support one another, and be a help to one another. And I'm talking about being a serious help, you know what I mean? Because I want the kind of community when we come together as a community and we learn one another, you know, because when you come together in groups, you know, you learn one another, especially if you're consistent in that group. And so if we're in a group setting, then someone is in need of something, and then we're able to help and assist, you know, with whatever that we can do for that person. So it's not just coming together and hanging out, you know, which is the fun part, but it's coming together, hanging out, having a good time, and developing relationships with one another. So, and that's very much needed in these times, especially if you may be a slight introvert, or, you know what I mean, you don't have a lot of family out this way, or, you know, not even a lot of friends, and, you know, or you just don't want to go out and do things by yourself, then this would be a great time for you to come into our community. So, and I'm all about community. I'm all about volunteering. I'm all about family. That's just my thing. And I'm all about support and helping people, you know, especially the senior citizens and children and people who can't do for themselves, you know. And I have a heart for people with mental disabilities as well, because that's a serious issue too. So you guys, let me know in the comments. All right, I'm headed to work because I do not want to be late. I have a new client coming in today, all the way from Detroit, you know, my old hometown when I was younger. So I don't know if she's just coming to get her hair done, or she has family and friends here that she's just, you know, coming to visit, and she just wants to get her hair done at the same time. So anyways, we will find out. So Queens, she has a form of alopecia along with the combination of stress, is what she was telling me. And it's basically on the sides and at the top. So what we did, we went ahead and put a net on one side, and we also put a net on the other side where the circle is, to ensure that we do a great style when I install her faux locks. So she is getting the boho locks, and this is from boholocks.com. And this is a beautiful combination. It's a deep 4, a 613, T613, and it is just a gorgeous color. And you can't see it, unfortunately, but there is a little hint of gray in there, and I love it. Okay, Queens, today was a short work day for me. Normally on the weekday, I will do between 2 and 3 clients, Monday through, actually Tuesday through Friday, and then Saturday I'll do more, especially if I have my assistant. But now I'm only doing 2 to 3 clients per day. So my schedule is filling up quite fast. And I believe I'm into the second week in July for booking. If you want a Saturday, the next available Saturday would be July 8th for the next available Saturday. So the appointments are going fast, but today was just a short day. And so I am going to go ahead, and I don't mind the short days, I really don't. So I am going to go ahead and run some errands. I have to get some paint sprays so I can paint my decorative wall hanging. And I think I'm gonna pick up some hair today, some crochet braid hair. But the client that you just saw, she has family here. That's why she flew in from Detroit. So she has family here and she's going on a trip. That is why she came and got her hair done. So I am going to go ahead and go over to Lowe's, pick up that spray, go ahead and spray paint this decorative wall unit, and we'll take it from there. So you guys, here is the rack, the wall rack that my son-in-law, he went ahead and sanded it down for me. I'm going to do some more sanding on the top inside of this, but this is the rack, the wall rack. So I just wanted to show you guys. And he did a good job with sanding it down. So this is what I'm going to go ahead and go home and spray paint, and I'm gonna call it a day, fix dinner, and then I'm gonna be done with today. No spray painting today, and I'll tell you why. Y'all be blessed. Have a good week.